Hi, good morning, everyone. So I had previously put a post up regarding the two books that I had received. So now I have a moment to read through Homeopathic and Dementia. It's a very good book. What I realized is it's got about 19 cases for patients in the examples. It has roughly about 15 material medical remedies, which gives you an indication of what remedies were used in what cases. They also had a little bit of repertory work, which is very helpful. So then it reads as mind anxiety at night, mind fears, fears of water, fear of death, mind shrieking, mind fear of dark, head pain in the morning, and some generals. So it gives you a really good indication, and based on all the tallies that they've had, they came up with the remedy stramonium and LM potency, 2 drops daily, 1 in water after shaking the bottle rigorously 5 times, taking 1 sip at a time. So it gives you a great indication of what it is. Now, when I purchased the book, I realized my understanding of patients with dementia was quite little. Now, regarding the case studies that I had looked into, what homeopathy can do to help, how it can heal each element as homeopaths as part of our training, but also looking at new material, new data, we have to keep learning. So we have to do continued development practice, which is our CPD courses, which is always recommended in our homeopathic treatment that we have received during our course study. Now, it gives you a little bit more information with remedy selection. So it will give you a case history of the patients, any diagnosis that they've had previously, and then it also gives you conclusions and what was achieved in each. So it's a really good understanding. And then they have some of the description regarding the authors, which I thought was very handy, just to give a little bit of background information. Now, one of the things that I like doing is I like skim reading all the way through, so I can find the right remedy and I know exactly the case study for that particular remedy that's given according to that patient. So it was a very interesting read for me to look into how many different ways we can heal. And some of the important remedies we have in homeopathic remedy for dementia treatment. Now, one of the things that I realized, it's not just information regarding case studies, it's also patient information on how they dealt with dementia. Now, we'll go into one of the case studies, which is one that I've marked. So, male patient, 85 years, a stroke of luck. Now, one of the things that I really liked about this particular case scenario was he also explained how he was experiencing anxiety all the way through, how that's affected his confidence, him living every single day. I mean, it's probably something that I don't know if that's zoomed in enough. It tells you the remedy as well and how it was given, but it's just brilliant. It allows you to connect to a patient without physically taking their case through this case study book. So if it's recommended for anyone as a general read, information regarding homeopathy, and also case studies for patients and homeopaths who are interested in looking this as a sector for them to heal in their clinic, I recommend this book. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.